The holiday season frequently brings unwelcome visitors, stress and depression, and it's no surprise. Cooking meals, shopping, baking, cleaning, and entertaining are just a few of the responsibilities that come with the holidays. And if COVID-19 is spreading in your neighborhood, you may be feeling extra stressed or worried about the health of you and your loved ones. You may also feel stressed, sad, or nervous if your holiday plans change due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, with a few practical tips, you can reduce the stress that comes with the holidays. You may even find that you love the holidays more than you expected. But before we continue, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified instantly. Here are 10 practical tips on how to reduce holiday stress. Number 1. Nail down travel. Nothing is more terrifying than last minute flight pricing. If you are traveling this season and have not bought your tickets yet, do it right away and then set a reminder to stop your mail and other services. If you are traveling by car, schedule a tune-up and start planning your trip. Maintain the enjoyment of your road journey by studying areas of interest and tasty eateries along the way. Number 2. Start a running list of gift ideas. Make the most of your smartphone by keeping a list of gift ideas. You never know when Uncle Frank will bring up a little known hobby, so saving the tip in your phone is a good idea for future reference. Wrapping gifts when you receive them saves time. This way you won't have to pull an all-nighter due to the lack of gift bags. Number 3. Set aside additional cash. The expenses of the holiday start to mount. Unexpected costs lurk in the most spirited of places, from gifts to decorations to overpriced pumpkin pie. Many banks provide holiday accounts and direct deposit eliminates the need to think about transfers or balances. Even an old-fashioned money jar to collect pocket change in your pockets can help you deal with money issues later. Number 4. Make a grocery list and a meal plan. If you are hosting the festivities this year, you can simply get a head start on the holiday food preparation. Create a grocery list so you can grab it and go before your visitors arrive. Look for dishes that can be frozen such as fudge or dessert bars. And don't forget about non-holiday meals such as chili for lunch. Number 5. Create a shared calendar of holiday events. The most stressful aspect of the holidays is keeping track of everything that is going on, especially if you have multiple people in your family. Posting a shared calendar in a common location such as on the fridge or your phone can help everyone stay on the same page. Holding weekly calendar huddles can help you address who is going where and what you need to buy or prepare. Number 6. Start a healthy routine right away. It's difficult to stay healthy over the holidays. Schedules are busier than ever and cookies are everywhere. Start a healthy routine now to help yourself stick to it. Taking a weekly fitness class or going on a daily walk will help train your brain to keep going. And committing to a healthy diet can help you avoid the extra eggnog. Number 7. Start decluttering. Yes, mess causes stress. Clear up clutter now to keep it to a minimum throughout the holidays. If you will be hosting guests, make a list of things you will need such as bed linens, games, and extra toilet paper. Then schedule a day when you can truly lay aside everything and clean. Even if you are not hosting this holiday, decluttering will help you navigate the chaos that sometimes accompanies the season. Number 8. Plan a reward for yourself. After weeks of holiday preparation, adding one more to-do list may seem excessive, but arranging something special for yourself as a reward for your efforts is a brilliant way to maintain your enthusiasm. Pat yourself on the back for surviving a wonderful, though busy, holiday season. And that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications if you want to watch more videos like this.